What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Hydraulic Engineering Tutorial YouTube channel. Today, we show capillary action experiment, materials, clear glass or plastic cups beakers. Water capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow within narrow spaces, even against the force of gravity. This phenomenon is driven by the interplay of adhesion, the attraction between the liquid molecules and the surfaces of the narrow space, like the walls of a tube or the fibers of a paper towel. Cohesion, the attraction between the liquid molecules themselves. Surface tension, the cohesive forces between liquid molecules at the surface of the liquid. His can be seen in everyday examples like water moving up a paper towel, liquid rising in thin tubes, water moving through soil, water moving up the stem of a plant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hydraulic engineering content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.